We will be assembling a 4-finger circular tool using the components shown here. The first step is to insert your circular hub screw into your robot adapter. Then apply the O-ring as shown and apply a small amount of Molykote grease to the O-ring after it's installed. Next, you will want to pre-install the air fitting into the upper hub mount with your torque driver set to 6 Newton meters. Then install the upper hub mount onto the circular hub assembly and attach your robot adapter using your torque driver set to 5 Newton meters. Next, click your spacers and finger modules onto the center hub, ensuring a solid fit on all fingers. Lastly, take your tie rods and apply anti-seize to both ends of each of them. Hand screw your hex nuts onto one end of each of the tie rods and tighten them using your torque driver set to 2.2 Newton meters.